Hello everybody, it's Christine from REV Robotics Education Team here today to talk about the programming you'll find in the 2.0 update of Intro to Robotics Curriculum. For the version 2 update of the Intro to Robotics curriculum, one of the things we really wanted to focus on was increasing the number of programming resources available to guide both teachers and students through the process. The curriculum focuses on using blocks as the programming language of choice, though Java is also available for use with the Duo control system. Blocks is a visual-based language that we believe best aligns with the goal of being an intro-level course. It offers better accessibility and helps to streamline getting started, cutting down on the risk of syntax errors and spelling mistakes that can cause frustration when just beginning. This allows students to focus on learning the building block essentials of how to code, establishing a solid foundation to build on no matter which language they pick up next. In the slideshows provided, teachers will find step-by-step guides to lead students through the current programming tasks. These continue to scaffold throughout the course as students reach more complicated programs. But don't worry, additional examples are available in the teacher resources. As students explore new programming concepts, they'll practice them on a small scale first before moving on to more complicated builds and utilizations. Throughout the lessons, there are checkpoints for students to stop and test what they've programmed. This encourages students to take a moment to pause, think about what happened, and consider why it happened if it wasn't what they expected. This is a crucial skill as students move on to open-ended projects. By the end of the course, students will be able to program their robots to move fully autonomously or to switch between TeleOp and autonomous for different tasks. Of course, more complex programs means more that students have to keep track of in their op mode. While progressing through the course, they'll learn how to utilize variables and functions, as well as loops to optimize their programs, just like they would in the real world. There is so much to discover within the Intro to Robotics V2 curriculum. To learn more, go to revrobotics.com/curriculum and don't forget to fill out our form to receive a coupon code to get the curriculum completely free. Have questions about how to get started? We're always here to help educators get going. You can contact us at education@revrobotics.com.